And by the way, this is your host Binto Paste, and actually our vlog for today is all about how to hide your apps on the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to hide all your apps or some of your apps on the phone. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Zoop! So let's get started. Here we go. We just have to click our setting, this one, then proceed to the privacy. Then after that, click privacy and app encryption. Then once you reach here, if you wanna hide your apps, just please hold on. Just click the hide up here. Okay, down here are those apps that we had in our phone. Whichever app here you want to hide it, just turn it on, just like this, like that. Just click confirm, then continue the rest. Okay, just say like that. Confirm, 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 confirm. This one no need because I'm not using that. So okay, those apps that I hide are those apps which is very delicate for some other people to see. So yeah, this one need to add. Just click confirm, and yeah, what else? And this one, just click confirm. Okay, this one, click confirm. So in order for this app to be in a hidden section, you just have to click confirm. Okay, so that's all, guys. Okay, let's get out from here, and to let you know how to find out your hidden apps, I'll show you how. Okay, now we have to exit from here. Okay, exit from here, exit. Okay, some apps of mine are hidden, just like my Facebook app. My Facebook app is no longer here on the screen. So now how do you find all those apps that you put in hidden section? Okay, just use your two fingers, slide it up, and once you do that, you can see them all, just like this. Use your two fingers, slide up. Okay, if you have password, just key in your password. So these are the apps that I placed in my hidden area. So that's all, guys, simple as that. If you wanna do to hide some of your apps, you can do the same thing. Okay, zip. So guys, as simple as that. See, if you wanna hide some of your apps on your phone, just do the same thing. Okay, and if you want to find back your apps, just use your two fingers and just slide up right on this phone screen, as simple as that. Okay, by the way, yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. God bless everyone.